What if I told you the reason your mind feels heavy isn't because of your life, but because of the things you're carrying? Picture this. You walk into your room, clothes on the chair, random receipts on the table, a drawer you're scared to open. Nothing is messy, but nothing feels peaceful either. You sigh, and you say the same thing you've said for years. I'll clean it later. But later never comes. Now, here's the wild part. In Japan, there's a beautiful idea that your home is basically a mirror of your mind. And when you change one, the other follows. This isn't about cleaning. It's about clearing space, inside and outside.
We don't actually keep things because we need them. We keep them because of fear. Fear of, what if I need this someday? Fear of letting go of memories. Fear of losing something that once meant something. Fear of facing who we've become. In Japan, decluttering isn't about throwing things away. It's about asking one simple question. Does this spark joy? Not, is it useful? Not, was it expensive? Not, what will people think? Just, does this thing make my heart feel lighter? But here's the twist no one talks about. Most of the time, the answer is no. Imagine someone standing in their room holding an old t-shirt. It's stretched, faded, doesn't fit anymore. But the moment they try to throw it out, they freeze because it reminds them of a friend, a day, a moment that made them feel alive. So they keep it. One shirt becomes 10. 10 becomes a drawer. A drawer becomes this constant background noise in their brain. The Japanese art says this clearly. You aren't holding on to an object. You're holding on to a version of yourself that no longer exists. And that hurts. So we avoid it. And the clutter grows.